How to make money on people per hour as a WordPress blogger. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform or the business owners that come here to find a freelancer with certain skills to hire him for a job or a project. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to the platform in order to look for a WordPress blogger, I will just come to the search in here and type the skill that I'm looking for or the freelancer that I'm looking for, then hit the search button. And here I'm going to be able to see all of the freelancers that are doing the skill I'm looking for. And I'm going to see also their hourly rate, how much stars they have, and by clicking on their profile, I will be able to check their description, how many sales they've got, and the jobs that they've done before, the offers that they have on their profile, and everything about them. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a profile, your own profile, where you're going to showcase your skills, just like those freelancers. And I'm going to show you how you can set your hourly rate, a decent description as well for your profile, a description that attracts more clients, and those sort of things. So let's go back to the main page in here and click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and password. Then you proceed to clicking on the sign up button. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so I'm going to drop my email and my password and login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you are serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you are a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now and complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So the first thing you're going to do is drop your profile picture. Then you proceed to add in your job title. And here we have an example, award-winning web developer. Or you can just enter WordPress blogger. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. And the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start typing the skills. Let's start with WordPress to see if we can find WordPress blogger, design development, template, plugin development. That's not what we're looking for. Let's go with blog writing, guest blogging, blog development, blog outreach, fashion blogger. Let's go with fashion blogger as well. And blog development, blog outreach, design, commenting, type that blog. I think that's it for this skill. And after you're done with your skills, you proceed to the About You section. So guys, in this section, you're going to describe yourself to buyers or the visitors of your profile. And in order to make a decent description for your profile, what I recommend you to do is going back to the search and checking your competitors, getting inspiration from their descriptions. How are they describing themselves? How are they talking about their skill and the stuff like that? So let's go to the search in here, search freelancers, and let's enter the skill that we're searching for, WordPress bloggers. Hit the search, and here go with all offers, check all of them offers. So here we have get any WordPress issue problem fixed, 100% completely overall, and optimize your WordPress SEO. Provide this is not what we're looking for. Let's remove WordPress in order to check the bloggers. So we have write a 400 word blog post or article. So let's check this one's description to see how is she talking about her skill in her description, what made her get more than 1,500 sales, or approximately 1,500 sales, 1,000 and approximately 500,000 sales, 500 sales, as you can see, and how she's got 800 likes. So let's check her description, read more, and as you can see, I'm a highly motivated, deadline reaching, target meeting, all around writing professional, experienced in blog and marketing, copywriting, video scripts, social media posts, and more. My feedback over the last 4 years on here speaks volumes about my service. So she's referring us to her feedbacks. So let's check those feedbacks. So we have 5 stars, another 5 from the same person. So the same person keeps coming back to her, and that's a sign of a good quality work. If there are clients that are coming back with the same feedbacks, same stars, that's impressive. And here we have 5 stars as well, 5 and 170 more pages to go through. The same one that we have in here. So it's a regular client, as you can see. Also always get work 5 stars. So this description is worthy of copying, but if you have good feedback only. And guys, if you find the inspiration that you're looking for and you want to go back to your profile to edit your description, just click on the profile button in here, and you'll go here, click on the edit button, and in this page you'll be able to change everything about your profile, starting with your name down to your phone number. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.